Hello everyone, welcome to Computational Methods in Engineering class. In this session, I am going to explain one problem on Gaussian quadrature two-point formula. Use Gauss legendary two-point formula to evaluate I equal to integration 0 to 0.8, 0.2 plus 25x minus 200x square plus 675x cube minus 900x power 4 plus 400x power 5. The given data is a equals 0, b equals 0.8, function is f of x equals 0.2 plus 25x minus 200x square plus 675x cube minus 900x power 4 plus 400x power 5. We know the Gauss quadrature two-point formula I equals b minus a by 2 into w1 f of x1 plus w2 f of x2. Here x1 equaled b minus a by 2 z1 plus b plus a by 2 equal to b means 0.8 minus 0 by 2, z1 means minus 1 by root 3 plus b plus a, that means 0.8 plus 0 by 2, that answer is 0.1691. x2 equal b minus a by 2 z2 plus b plus a by 2, that equal to 0.8 minus 0 by 2 into 1 by root 3 plus 0.8 plus 0 by 2 equal to 0.631. Now you can substitute this x1, x2 and w1, w2 in the Gauss quadrature two-point formula, that is I equal to b means 0.8 minus 0 by 2 into w1 means 1, 0.2 plus 25 w1 f of x1 plus w2 f of x2. Here w1 equal to w2 equal to 1, w1 equal to w2 equal to 1, 1 into 0.2 plus 25 into 0.1691 minus 200 into x square means 0.1691 whole square plus 675 into x cube, that means 0.1691 cube minus 900 into x power 4 plus 400 into x power 5 plus w2 into f of x2, that means 0.2 plus 25 x2 minus 200 into x2 whole square minus 900 into x to the power of 4 plus 675 into x to the power of 3 plus 400 into x to the power of 5. Now you can simplify this term by using your calci. 0.8 by 2 into 0.2 plus 25 into 0.1691 minus 200 into 0.1691 whole square plus 675 into 0.1691 whole to the power of 3 minus 900 into 0.1691 whole to the power of 4 plus 400 into plus 400 into x power 5 0.1691 whole to the power of 5. You can simplify this only f of x1 term. You can get 1.29183. In the place of x1 you can replace with x2 value 0.2 plus 25 into x2 value is 0.631 minus 200 into x2 whole square 0.631 whole square plus 675 0.631 whole cube minus 900 x to the power of 4 0.631 plus 400 into x to the power of 5 0.631. That answer is 3.2640. Summation of 1.29183. The answer is 4.555 into 4.5559129 into 0.4. Final answer is 1.82 1.82236. This is the final answer for the given problem, that is Gauss legendary 2-point formula for the given function. The answer is 1.82236. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.